every now and then, you get these turnarounds, where where things can go from fantastic to shit, um, and vice versa. And today was from how yesterday went, where it was nothing was moving, everything was tight, everything was sore, everything was weak. And I managed to hit 4 plates on a deadlift today. Keeping in mind that I haven't deadlifted in at least a couple months, at least 3 4 months maybe. I must say I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased. It's not my best. It's I have moved 180 faster, but I contribute a lot of this to um, at the start of last week. I was doing 45 hypers, 100 reps a day for I think the first 4 days. I think I posted when I started on Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Those are I did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of the 45 hypers, the 12 by 8, and I think that's genuinely the cause of what made me suddenly go back to a lift that I haven't done in 4 months, call it 3 months, and boom, it just moves. It moves. Um, Considering yesterday, nothing was working, and 120 felt like 40 kgs heavier than it should have. On the squat came maybe 20, but like this year has been a slow start to getting my strength back, particularly my fitness. My fitness, I'm slowly getting there. Been going um, to spinning classes, which that's no, spinning's not for it's not for the tunnies. It's not a play around. So yeah, I've been smashing those out. The pool at the gym just got filled. They were busy repainting the sides. The fumes from the paint was actually difficult to withstand in the first couple of days, and it was only start of the week now. Sunday was when it like this finally like kind of aerated out. And now they got the pool sorted. So I'll try maybe next week, do one swim sesh, and one spinning sesh. I don't know, maybe even do a park run on a Saturday. Do like a run, walk, or a jog, or something. But I mean, I go for walks on the weekends in any case. That's one of the hardest things of a office job, sitting all day. But yeah, yeah. Well, with regards to training, and it was something that was on my mind this morning. I think it was just because of yesterday, the aftermath of yesterday, why things felt so heavy, and I kind of attributed it to um, my levers, because it happens more often than not, that I feel weaker on a squat than on the deadlift, and I don't know. It's something that I've dabbled in and I've kind of experimented on, but I don't think I've quite reached a level where I can say for definite that, okay, I know that I have a long torso, I know that I have short legs. Does that means that on a deadlift I would be more bent over because my back has to cover, like my torso has to cover a lot more ground. There's a longer lever, and for my legs on the squats I can be more upright because it's a downward motion. So because my femurs are like short, I can kind of stay upright. I don't know how to like at some point I'll try to demonstrate, like in a video with like a mic or something like that. Um, but I thought that because of the fact that I was working my back a lot, um, that I was unable to stay upright, and because I was now bending over on the squat, it put more pressure on my back, where like I was just not able to get that thrust forward. I think my squats is very much a push dependent. Um, Despite my back being stronger, it's two conflicting thought processes that I've got, and I still need to dive a bit deeper and experiment a bit more. Um, and yeah, it's having a long torso makes my core a very important part of any lift, um, or of any of the three main lifts, including things like running and swimming and stuff. It has to be a lot stronger. Long muscles are strong muscles, and I do have a long like abs, I guess. um, but the yeah, well, abs and back makes up your core, and yeah, so I think it requires a lot of strength and stability in order to allow the other contributing like powerhouses to actually contribute more in the lifts that I do. And I don't know if it was because of fatigue, and now finally, like, I slept fantastic last night, that it's, you know, it's dissipated, that fatigue. And yeah, but I mean, on days like this, it's difficult to ask questions. When things go well, you take it. You take it, and all other questioning, you kind of save for the worst days. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll check you tomorrow. Cheers.